In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Logitech camera if it's not working. These easy steps will help you get your camera up and running again fast. First, check the physical connection. Make sure your Logitech camera is properly plugged into your computer's USB port. Try unplugging and plugging it back in, or use a different USB port. Next, restart your computer to refresh the system and clear any temporary issues. Check if the camera is selected as the default device in your video or conferencing app settings. Update or reinstall the Logitech camera drivers by visiting the official Logitech website and downloading the latest software for your model. Make sure your operating system is up to date, as outdated software can cause compatibility problems. Also, test the camera with another app or device to see if the issue persists. If your Logitech camera still isn't working, try resetting the camera or contact Logitech support for further help. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more quick tech fixes.